Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a tutorial about Avatar World City Life, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of gameplay with this newest mod that I got, guys. As you can see, I got this mod over here and unlock all VIP, guys, and with this one you can unlock all the packs, and I'm going to show you right now how it looks like. So we're going to continue. As you can see right over here, we have everything unlocked, guys. All right, and everything works totally fine. You see, you have also the new ones, and okay, as you can see, works totally fine, everything, guys. So you can do whatever you want, guys, with the game, because you're gonna have everything unlocked. You can make new avatars also. So I'm going to show you, and this method, I found it out, guys, it's working for the both devices, iOS and Android. So if you want me to make a video or tutorial with my iPhone also, you just let me know in the comments below, guys. Now I'm just doing the tutorial with my Xiaomi phone, which is an Android. I'm recording right now with my iPhone because I like the camera quality more. I did it also in my iPhone. The mod works also there in my iPhone. Very easy to do it, guys, very simple to do it. And of course, I'm gonna drop a link below where you can go immediately to get the mod, guys. Okay, it's pretty simple. Just follow the steps until the end. Everything is required. You're gonna be able to install the mod, guys. You unlock all the VIP and unlock all the packs. Okay, so here we are. We can, as you can see, we can do whatever we want, guys, with the game. Okay, we're gonna just create a quick one. Okie dokie. All right, let's say we did this. All right, so as you can see, there are everything unlocked, guys. Here we have the new avatar. Okay, oops, sorry. We drop one where we have hours. So if you want to get this mod, guys, you know what you have to do. Just go there and check it and you'll be able to get it. Okay, so this is my video tour for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. And before you leave, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the like button. If you have anything, guys, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be very happy to get in touch with you. If you want me to find new mod, new games and so on, let me know in the comment section, guys. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Cheers.